Today, I'm going to show you how to mount the FX3 Top Handle to your Sony A7V. If this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing. One great thing about the Sony FX3 Top Handle is that there's 2 XLR inputs, and you can use up to 4 channels of audio recorded internally. The first thing we'll need is the Smallrig 3667V cage. This cage fits a lot of Sony cameras, so there's a great chance you may already own it. The first thing we're going to do is slide the cage onto our Sony A7V. We're going to use the provided key to tighten the cage to the camera. Once the cage is secured to the camera, we're going to use the Smallrig MD4019 cage adapter plate for the Sony FX3 XLR handle. This plate comes with 3 screws, and once we get it aligned with the cage, we're going to tighten that middle screw and leave the 2 outer screws loose. Next, we're going to take the FX3 Top Handle and slide it onto the hot shoe of the Sony A7V. Once we line up the top handle screws with the adapter plate, we're going to tighten down the top handle. Once the top handle is tightened down, now we're going to tighten the outer screws on the adapter plate. Once the screws on the adapter plate are tight, we're going to go back and tighten the screws from the top handle. And that's it. Now you've added the Sony FX3 Top Handle to the Sony A7V. As I mentioned earlier, this will give you 2 XLR audio inputs, as well as the flexibility to use up to 4 audio channels on your Sony A7V. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and make sure you check out my other video right here. Thanks for watching.